Today, I will show Zoho WorkDrive settings. This is the Zoho WorkDrive dashboard. First, go to the admin console in the bottom left corner. Then select Settings. The first option is Profile. Here you can change your team name. The team name will be displayed to all team members in the top left corner of your WorkDrive account and in all emails that are sent from the team. And next option is Branding. Branding is an important part of marketing communication. It helps convey the purpose of your organization or business. Since your company files are on the cloud, it is best to include your official organization logo across all your company documents. Your organization logo will appear in preview headers of externally shared files and headers of emails sent out by your team. The next option is Content. And next option is to convert all files to Zoho WorkDrive's format on upload. Suppose you enable this option to automatically convert documents, spreadsheets, and presentations that your team uploads to Zoho WorkDrive's file format. You can select the checkbox if you want to allow team folder admins to manage this option for their team folders, and select the checkbox below if you want to allow anyone in your team to manage this option for their My Folders. And is to save all new files that you create inside team folders as drafts. If this option is enabled, then any documents, spreadsheets, and presentations that your team members create in team folders via Zoho Writer, Sheet, and Show will be first saved as drafts. If you want to change language, select Language and drop-down values FO you choose. The next option is Roles and Permissions. The first option is set who can create public team folders on your team. Anyone in the team can join public team folders and collaborate on files and folders. You can select Team Admin Only or Anyone on the Team option from the Radio option. And next option is to set who can create private team folders on your team. You can select Team Admin Only or Anyone on the Team option from the Radio option. The next section is the permission details. The next option is Sharing. The first option is to allow files and folders to be shared outside this team. If you enable this option to let team members share files and folders with external users using email addresses, download links, embed codes, and external share links, including both custom external share links and permalinks with access to anyone on. The next option is a custom domain. Here type in a domain name you want to use with your WorkDrive account, then click on the verified domain. The URL should have a subdomain. The next option is WorkDrive Apps. Here, the first option is to allow team members to use WorkDrive Desktop Sync apps. Suppose you enable this option to allow your team members to use the WorkDrive Sync and TrueSync apps to access files. And next option is to allow team members to use WorkDrive mobile apps. Suppose you enable this option to allow your team members to use WorkDrive mobile apps for Android and iOS devices to access files. The next option is Data Retention. Here you can set how often files and folders are automatically deleted from Trash in My Folders, Team folders, and deleted items in the admin console to save storage and protect data in the drop-down values. The next option is Storage. Here you can set storage limit in My Folders. WorkDrive offers single shared storage for your entire organization, but you can set a storage limit in users' My Folders to save and maximize your team storage. You can set a limit to the drop-down option, but you can create a custom storage limit by clicking on the Set a Custom Storage Limit option. Thank you for watching your video.